slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, everybody! What's up? How's everybody here? NASDAQ, oh my God, look at this NASDAQ. Oh my God, just when you think they got them, 26,000, what they get down to like, well, if I had screens, I'd scalp the short here, 27,080 up to 27,120, S&Ps, 53 up to 760. Hello, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian, and welcome. This is the last night of the week. Wow, what fun. Intel, kaboom. Intel, kaboom. How about this Bitcoin? Look at this I hit the chat by mistake, okay? Look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin BTC USD. Look at Bitcoin, right? The 30-minute reverses to buy right here. Look at this, Jeffrey, boom. And we'll look at this beautiful bull flag on the 15. Just ran about 200 here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. All right. How is everybody today? I just knocked the chat down. Aaron, if you can help me. I just hit the chat by mistake. Let me call Aaron because I'm what happened here? I knocked the chat down here. If I can find his number amongst 14,000. Okay, I can knock the chat down. How's everybody doing tonight? Okay. All right. Thank you, Aaron. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Who's here? Anybody new here? Kim Capital, how are you? Just Bob, Pop Trade, Josh Simpson, Tony Whatsoever, James Dean, Dregson. How are you? Hey, Dregson, how are you? The Estimated Profit, Dana M. Spy, how are you? Game for play. Again, please, Mr. 21, go. How do you like the raffle? I like the raffle, the way we're doing it. Gold really negative trend now, 15, 30, and 60s. You want to short every rally in gold here. Buy the world, Raffle. Buy the world. Right? You know I don't like saying that. I like saying short the world. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody had a great, wonderful day today. How about oil? They cabooshed oil. Can you believe it? Meanwhile, it's right back up again. Oil was hitting the 97 level. Look at this right here. Actually, 98.39 and then got cabooshed $3 right here. I just like to know one thing. Who the hell are they talking to? Okay. Today I'm in your stream. How are you, Game for Play? Moroccan, how are you? B-Tree. All right. Ziff, hey, Ziff. Corp Trades. Who else is here? Neo. Lamp, how are you? Mr. 21. Gold NQ. Papa Delt. They're NQ Futures. I love that name. Mike, how are you? The Bio Cheesy, what's going on? All right. Josh Simpson, we said that already. How are you? Laboretto. All right. Sultan of Suede. Hello, everybody. Okay. So, again, very quiet here. Let's just see. Oh, that gold just got cabooshed. Silver and gold. Look at this oil. Look at this oil. Just buy. Long from 26,900. Okay. Good job, Stu. Yeah, this is a market where I guess you got a lot of leniency here if you get some type of pullbacks here. Because these pullbacks, everybody's buying all these pullbacks. I think China is talking negotiations on behalf of Iran. It might be crazy. What? I don't know, man. Hey, Vanessa, how are you? Prish Trades, Adam, Kelly, how are you? Miriam, P-Long, the usual suspects. Love it. Rod, how are you? Happy kids, what's going on? Oh, come on. Is that good or bad, Danny, that China's negotiating with them, for them? Hey, Richard, how are you? Unbelievable. How many days in a row? The SOX index up 19 days in a row. Unbelievable. Well, today I met with a young man who asked me permission to marry my daughter. And there they go. Right back up. Boom. And good young man, I have to say. But when you have a daughter and a father like me who's very protective, he's a good boy, and I'm proud. And you know, yeah, he asked my permission, and I said absolutely. I said, just be each other's best friends and enjoy life together. And they're like two peas in the pod, these two. Forget it. They're always doing everything together. Thank you, Jeffrey. All right. So, yep. That's very nice. Yeah. He was a complete gentleman. Asked me if he could meet with me. Yeah, he's a good boy. Good boy. Very good boy. I call her up. I go, what are you doing? We're going to dinner. We're playing golf. We're doing this. I said, whoa. I go over at times, sometimes, and they're just sitting on the couch watching football together or UFC fighting. Hey, Bobby Trades, how are you from India? From India? We're talking about this, Mike Anderson. Thank you. We're going to be talking about this. I don't know if I should. We're making a decision whether we do Vegas first or West Palm first, or West Palm first and then Vegas in October, where it's might be a little cooler. I don't know. We're still playing around with this though. So anyway, all right. This gold gets up to the 15 and a half, 16 to 23. I'd short it. What a beautiful long on Bitcoin. Bitcoin just rallied. Oh my God, about 300 here. Fantastico. Thank you, James Robertson. Thank you. All right. Let's see here. Market just does not want to stop going up. All right. Crude completely dead here tonight. Crude completely dead. And yeah. But we'll oh, there goes the gold. Just got kaboosh. Took my offer for it. Happy Friday. What are you kidding me? Fantastico, 30 Vista buying the S&P. I have no charts. I have Pac-Man. If my charts are all down, so I only have right in front of me my telestrator and oh geez, gold just gone, and the ones on the right that are giving me a hiccup. I spent about $25,000 on these computers, and I don't know. Brando Vano, how are you? Michael Trades. So posted an hour ago. What? Hey, Jason. Okay. So anybody in my what's up? Hey, Marshall Eyes. Where the hell you been? Tina. Just throw a dart. They're always up. Right, Tina? They're always up. Hold on. Look at the gold. S&Ps look to cover 53 or lower. NASDAQ, if you're short, anywhere between the 70 and 80 range. Andrew, how are you? Okay. All right. There goes the S&Ps. Oh my God, gold just dropped 9. NASDAQ kabooshed. Can we play the bear just for that low drop? Okay. Can we play the bear just for that low drop? Really?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Right? It doesn't matter. Okay, S&P's got down to 52. It's unbelievable. These moves are just so just unbelievable. Gold just got a little, okay, look at that. S&P's trade down to oh my God. I mean, look at this. This is it really, come on. Even oil's doing absolutely nothing here. Okay? Look at this. Look at this. You get a drop here. Oil's not even moving. Okay? Oil's not even moving here, Andrew. Okay? It's not even moving. Okay? Then sell. Then they're selling, then buy. They're buying, then sell. Look at this. I mean, it trades down to 50.5. We're short. And then they rally right back up. Are you crazy? This is insane. NASDAQ. I mean, you got to just throw a dart and always look at this. NASDAQ, 75 to 05 and gets up to 80, 93, drops to 70. And look at this, new highs. It's a casino. Paging Dr. K, that's me. Did you get the short or long? I hope you covered.
Yeah, gold, yeah.
You long gold?
No, I did not go
The
long.
short? Yeah, you can't short. You can't. Okay, get in there, Anastasia. How are you, everybody? Are you bananas? Somebody asked me what that was about a month ago. Tyler trades. Somebody said, "SK, what is? Does that mean? Are you bananas?" You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. All right. Come on, man. All right. Anyway, MyFundedFutures, doctor, give me the news. Oh yeah, can't play any songs on here. I don't want to get banned by YouTube. There goes that one. All right. Okay. 2 for 2 today in the Poly Markets SK room. Not bad. I'm 121 out of 172. I'm batting about 700. What'd you miss, Danny girl? 0. All right. I mean, where's this NASDAQ going? Come on, man. S&Ps, I take a scalp short, 57 up to 65. NASDAQ, 05 up to 35. This is amazing. Just this never goes down. Okay? Never goes down. Hey, you passed the eval? Wow. Okay, congratulations. Again, if you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you should just text me your full name and email, and I'll help you out. Try to even get you some moolah. Okay. So last night, I said, before I left, I said, expect the markets to roll over, right? And oh my God, absolutely. Look at this Bitcoin. And the NASDAQ dropped about 150 points after I left in about 2 hours. Okay. Now, yeah, I don't need that. Thank you. Don't worry about me. I'm good. I'm good. Unbelievable. Again, I took about 9, maybe 12 or 15 trades today. Everyone from the short side. Everyone was a winner. Everyone was a winner. Everyone was a winner. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. And if the NASDAQ drops here, look to cover anywhere between the 90 and 100. It's just so slow here. Wedding at Mar-a-Lago? Oh, my God. She would love that. I could probably do that, too, because I have friends of mine there. I'm not a member there, but I have friends of mine very close to people there. Hawk trade. I tell you, MyFundedFutures, they really, I'm going to tell you, I'm so pumped about this Vegas or West Palm. This is going to be awesome. I'm telling you, I can't wait. I can't wait. Meet so many great people here, and I might have a surprise for all of you. I don't live in Boca, SK. I live in Jupiter. Boca is about 45 minutes south of me. Exactly. Just stay in my seat. So today I left to go meet Ryan because he wanted to meet and ask for my permission. Obviously, that's what he wanted, right? Super Dude Vegas. Okay. So I come back and the stocks I had all lined up to short. Micron above 483 and AMD at the time above 309.60. And I come back, AMD is down 5 and Micron, I'm sorry, 493 on Micron, and Micron's down 20. Oh my God. So Steven says, never leave your seat. Please don't ever leave your seat. And he's right. I hate leaving my seat. I can't take it. Do I do Warbucks trading, sir? No, that's Patrick. That's not me. Okay. I'll be back in, give me one. I just got out to my car. I'm going to get my reading glasses. Again, I left them in the car. I'll be right back. 1 second. I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm back. I'm telling you, I agree. Just want to get my reading glasses here. Put these on for a minute. Oh, Jesus. I think a little blurry there, but okay. I can do this for the raffle later. Need those. All right. How's everybody doing with the raffles that you guys won last night? Can someone explain when SUS cover? So if you're short, okay, if you're short NASDAQ, okay, let's say you're short NASDAQ in 09 and it drops to even or 26,095, I say I would look to cover shorts. That's what you want to cover, the short position. Okay. So, hey, Ethan. So NASDAQ going to do another, geez, I don't know, man. It's crazy. Look at this. I mean, where is this thing going on the weekly, man? I mean, come on, man. This is this is one of the biggest bear. Look at 97 on the weekly. Are you crazy? This is insane. Look at the stocks. I mean, where's this thing going? 91 points. This is insane. Exactly. This is going to end bad here. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at GEV. Look at these names here. Oh, my God. Up another 36. Where the hell is this thing going? Oh, my God. Where's this stock going? Look at these names. Look at this. Oh, my God almighty. How about car? Anybody see Avis? Oh, my God. The guy who bought 847.70, he jumped. Can you imagine buying this and looking where it is now? It got down to 207 today. Are you crazy? I said, you know, I told my friend, and he's completely thought I was crazy, right? I said to him, if I owned, okay, there you go, Christopher, best of both worlds, right? Good job. So, okay, basically, I said to my friend, right between here and here, there's two institutions that own 51%, like 15 million shares. And I said, well, you know what? I'm up right now 4 to 8 billion. Why not just sell the whole damn thing? I mean, I don't need, you're just, you know. And he said, don't ever sell it. I'm telling you right now, they heard me. These guys were selling. Okay. These guys were selling. Okay. They squeezed the short. They squeezed the shorts. Okay. They weren't letting out their stock. Okay. To borrow. And guess what? They got absolutely kabooshed. Okay. Yeah. The greatest short ever. Okay. Unbelievable. The guy, can you imagine being short this thing and covering it 500, 600, 350, 400, 500, 700, 800, 1,000? Can you imagine? The lives were ruined. NASDAQ, I looked to cover between the 95 and 05 if you're short. S&Ps between 50, 55 and 57. I would never buy a $700 stock. I mean, GEV, SanDisk, names like that. I ain't buying this here. I mean, this is Avis. It's a car company. They're in debt. Right? Right. That's why these big hedge funds, I'm telling you, this has, at least from here, where am I? This is the daily. At least from here to here had to blow. I heard one hedge fund lost $5 billion. Okay. Hi, new trader. How are you? And if there's anybody new here that would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. AMD, I can't wait to get this bastard tomorrow. I'm telling you. This stock, look at this stock. Look at this Pac-Man. It's up 23 after hours because of Intel. This should be fun tomorrow. INTC. Hopefully we'll have a good day on this thing. Wow. And the government, of course, owns Intel, so why not? Right? Right? Hi, Linda NQ. Are you going to buy SpaceX? Probably not. I don't like buying IPO like that. Oh, I just don't like it. I mean, you know, you need a small retracement on the NASDAQ. How about you need a big retracement on the NASDAQ? Going to trade it tomorrow, long and short. I think I did. I'm not sure what the number of shares are. It could be anywhere between 300 to 500 to 700,000 this week. Okay. I got to tell you, okay, oil's not even moving. Every trade I did was on the short side. Right? Yeah, Papa Trump. Now I heard he extended the ceasefire for Lebanon and Israel for 3 weeks, or they did. I can't keep. This is going to go on forever. Is that when it's going to open? I don't know. You can't short a new IPO anyway. If you short the gold at 15 and a half, I just cover here below 13 and a half if you short the gold. No, short. We have a gold is negative on the 15, 30, and 60. No, I don't have no charts right now. I have the charts on the left are off, but those are all stocks. You know, even with today's move, Stephen, sir, what about bias on NASDAQ? I can't buy them up here. Are you crazy? I told one of the biggest hedge fund managers, I can't buy them up here. Everybody welcome Lucas. Lucas, happy birthday. Everybody wish Lucas a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lucas. Lucas is in the house. Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid? I ain't buying anything up here. I can't even say the word buy. How did things go with the boyfriend? He asked me permission to marry my daughter. He's a good boy. Thank you, DL. Thank you. I go tomorrow, 8:45. Wait till I get there, DL. I'm gonna rip him. You know how long it took me to get through the office today? I got a better chance of calling the Vatican and getting through. Yeah, he's already got one strike against him. He maybe missed Micron and AMD shorts. He did. AMD and Micron, MU. I said, I asked if we could meet at 5 o'clock. I got positions. I'm trading. You don't do this during the day. Well, I've never watched The Big Short. How's that? Mr. Freeze. Call me the Freeze. Mr. Freeze. I keep blowing down the road. Do, 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 do. Yeah, Danny Trader, gold got cabooshed down to 4,700. All right, I'd short some gold here, 15 and a half up to the 23 and a half range. Again, the 15s are getting overbought. Negative MACDs on the 15, 30, and 60, or the 30 and 60s, double red short. First bounce on the 15. Oh, my God. Yes, I give him permission. I shook his hand. I said, listen, that's my daughter now. I don't want to hear nothing. Hey, Miriam, how are you? I can't watch a movie like that. I'm into the Trading Places, Kelly's Heroes, The Godfather 1 and 2, Animal House, Blues Brothers, Caddyshack, all-time greatest. You run what to 600? 27,600? Okay, I can see that. Let's look at the NASDAQ here together. Oh my God almighty. Let's look at the 60. Okay, so the 30 just reversed the buy. The 60, what's the 60 doing? Probably turning. Just reverse. Oh my God. All right, this is okay. So now the MACD is above the pivot, you take the short, MACD below the pivot. What do you want to do? All right, anybody tell me what to do next? Anybody? Gold range 15.5 up to 23.5. You look to buy the first pullback on the 15-minute time frame. So between now and whenever you want an oversold condition on the 15, especially after the 60 reverse to buy and the 30 reverse to buy, you want to get a pullback, on the daily, and then boink. I mean, on the 15. It doesn't have to get all the way oversold either. Now, the thing is, there's no ADX rising, so you could get some type of a, oversold condition here, and then boink, that's what's going to happen. It's called sequence trading. I don't know how it's one of the best ever. Slapshot, I wasn't a fan, to be honest with you. I don't know. I didn't find that. I couldn't. I don't know. I didn't like it for some reason. Yep, NASDAQ, kaboom. I think you got to short the NASDAQ here, 18 up to 38. Just keep it tight. 18 to 45. Gold, man, it's slow here. So since the 60-minute time frame on the NASDAQ reversed to buy, correlating with the 30 and the 15, you want to buy the deep oversold condition on the 15 between now and, I don't know, 1, 2. Hey, GC Victim, how are you? Sir, within what time frame can the person Google firm enter the giveaways? I have no idea what that means. Silver's a double blue? I don't see that. Where? Let me see. Let me see what silver's doing here. I haven't. Oh, let me just get the silver up here. Positive on the 15, positive on the 60. Yeah, see? That was a good one. 1930. That was a damn good one. Yep. Hey, Miriam. Aliens? Do you know I've never seen it? Way cool fool. Best time to call you. 8 a.m. Eastern. 914-500-7484. Gold's, I would say 15.5 to 23.5 range. Let's see if this gold can get a drop here. All right, gold kabooming here. I don't think it's going to last, though. These 30s. Mm. $7,200, you think, on the spiders? This is crazy. I think there was one time I seen this in my life. Good job, Ethan. Oh, I agree. What the pullback will look like? The pullback that I'm looking for on the NASDAQ should look something like this on the 15. Right here. Do you see that? Right here? That's what I'm looking for. What's oil doing tonight? Anything? Poor oil. Oh, this gold. Come on. Give me a break. You short?
Yes.
Should drop. And the 5 reversed to buy, so any push down should make a higher low. These 15s are getting overbought. Where the heck is these S&P? S&Ps, you can take another scalp. 70, 61 up to 68. Where the hell is this oil going? Here we go. You could look to cover any gold between the 15.5 and 18.5 range. This thing should get a drop here. Okay, hopefully it gets there. I cover some there if it gets there. See the 5 turning positive here? Right here?
Yep.
So any push down is going to make a higher low. Where's the volume coming from? I think NASDAQ dropping here. The Qs are up 5. Yes, sir. You could cover this gold anywhere between the 15.5 and 19.5 range if this thing starts dropping. S&P's dropping 3 here. NASDAQ, I look to cover shorts below 25. S&P's below 58. Look at the gold, JD.
Yes, sir.
Cover some.
Got him.
Got it. Let's go. There you go. Got to always be prepared. Get in there, JD. That's it. How many more gaps can we have on the 60-minute time frame? How many gaps can you have on a 60-minute time frame on this run up? So far, I count 5. And we gap up tomorrow, this could be a record 6 gaps. I'm telling you, this is going to end bad. 15.5. So basically, what Steel beats is that I don't call out the full number. I don't say like you could look to short gold 47.20 to 47.28. No, I already speak a million words a day. Okay, I can't say the whole damn numbers all the time. So what I say is the last 2 numbers. So here on oil, I don't say oil, look to short oil or look to buy oil. I may say look to buy oil 96 to 72 or 75. I don't say, or here, look, I don't say look to buy oil. I might say look to buy oil 96.10 to 75. Okay, or for example, gold. I said, look to short gold 15.5. I don't have to say 47.15.5. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Because you should know what the hell's going. Okay. That's why you have to have your biz out there all the time, JD.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's why you have to have your bids out there all the time.
Absolutely.
You can't, you never, the minute I trade, I put bids out. Minute I'm short, I got bids out. Minute I'm long, I got offers out. I wasn't buying gold at 23. I was shorting gold. I said, look, I would short gold here. Who called me, sir? You might need a medical degree. I always tell everybody that reading a chart is like being a doctor. No different, right? Papa Delt, get in there. James Barber, Dave Barber, hope you're here. Well, an hour and 25 minutes to go. Anyway, how was that raffle last night? How about that raffle? What a raffle. Bam, that was fast. So many people. Oh boy, Henny's. What are you doing here? Henny was so sick Monday. Oh, my Henny boy. I didn't get home till 1:30. I can't do anything about YouTube. Talk to Aaron. Maybe Papa Aaron. Maybe Papa Aaron can help me. The next, what's this, Andrew? What's the Nick? Are they down in the series? Are the Hawks beating them in the series? No, but I mean, how many games? Who's up on what? How many games? Tied 1-1? Oh my God. And they're playing at the Garden. They're probably playing in Atlanta, right? I mean, how is oil still at 96? The S&Ps and NASDAQ making new highs. Gas has not come down. Oh. I don't think gold's going to 47, 48. Not with these 30 and 60-minute time frames. You got bear flags setting up here. Matter of fact, if gold gets up to 23, up to 30, I'd probably take a short. That's true. Yeah. You can't find an entry for a NASDAQ. That's because we're looking for shorts. Henny, you're killing me tonight. What'd you make on the silver? On that good?
About 350.
Oh, it's all right. Something. I don't believe you have to put a credit card in. You could just text me 914-500-7484. Buy the highs. I like that stuff, Fielding. Oh, good job. Hey, Vlad, how are you, Vlad? Oh, my God, how are you? Look at the S&Ps drop. Did gold hit 23 again? I don't think so. This gold's going to get killed. S&Ps, if you're short there, just look to scalp below 59. They're buying, then sell, sell, sell. They're selling, then buy, then buy. You ever see Caddyshack on that, Rodney? 44 the Punisher. You won last night. Congratulations. What happened?
And then I just put my empty cup over there.
All right, NASDAQ dropping, S&P's dropping like a knife, gold's dropping. Stu, I love you to death, brother, but you can't be this bullish up here now. Who was the number one pick in the draft? The quarterback from Indiana? That's a stupid question, but I'm sure he is, right? Trader J22, please text me. You want a 1,000-point drop? I want a 1,500-point drop. Trader J, please text me 914-500-7484. Tell me you're short the NASDAQ.
I'm not short the NASDAQ.
What are you doing?
Short the ES.
All right, better. Okay. All right, good job. Where, 60 or 61?
I am at 61.45.
Big ones?
No.
Okay.
Just 7 micros. Sad.
No, I don't think so. I think this, if you look back in history, I think it was 97, 98 this last time. Look at this oil. Look at the S&P. Gold. Here goes oil. I was about to say to get long the oil at 75. Damn it. Oh, yeah, baby. See, here's the thing. Papa Trump wants to caboose the market, right? Get everybody short, right? And then when it gets to a gigantic oversold condition, we won the war. They gave us uranium. They gave us the plutonium. They gave us everything. They gave us a condo, and they gave us all the oil. And then, think, up 3,000 more points, 30,000 on the NASDAQ. Yes, the 30 reverse to buy, so you want to buy the first pullback. I had no charts, Christopher, so you're a better man than me here. Kerry, did you get the short on the NASDAQ, Kerry? CC? What happened? Ian Nichols, SK, asking if he can meet at 5. 5 where? 7484. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. I think you're right. I think you're 100% right. And can you believe how much Bitcoin do they owe? 800,000 Bitcoin? Ah! My God, Stu is serious. 700 Qs. I want to see 1,000, 1,500 point drop first. This gold may get another push up here. You should be covering all your shorts here. I don't know about 700. I got to tell you, be really careful with that. Only because I'll tell you why. You got the midterm elections. Now you got Florida redistricting. All these states are going to start doing what Virginia did. Honestly, I don't care. I live in Florida, so. Great scalps. All right. Gold just hit 1560. You should be covering shorts, William. Oil making new highs here. Pac-Man, get in there. I hope. I think the high for the year, it depends. If he loses the midterms, I think that could be very bad. I think the markets are not going to like that. It doesn't matter. Natural. I mean, what do you want me to do? I can't rig the system. I can't just, natural. If you text me 914-500-7484, okay, you can't lose hope. You never give up hope. Look at it go. Look at this. Look at this gold drop. S&Ps. S&P's pushing down. NASDAQ pushing down. Gold, what a short. Oil pushing up. If you want to scalp short this oil, 97.45 up to 98.25. Wow, S&P's, I'd be flat. Look at this is the first pullback on the 5 after the 30, Pac-Man said. You got to cover. Anybody get cover the gold down there? Short the world. Next push up should make a lower high here on the S&Ps. If you want to take a long here, maybe you can go 48.5 to 54.5. NASDAQ, if it gets down to the 75 to 05. Exactly. So any push up, Pac-Man, on the 3 and the 5, it's going to be short-lived. How about that triple Kabuski today? Drop 10. Set up the long on the 15. What have you been doing bad? The NASDAQ and S&P just got cabooshed on the gold. You got to scale into the gold every 2.5, 3. Trader J, I'll call you at 10, and Tyler, I'll call you at 10. Okay? If the president loses the midterms, I think they get killed. And he'll be a lame duck president. They'll try to impeach him. They'll block everything he wants to do. I said NASDAQ 75 to 05. He has literally April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 7 months to pass the Save America Act, or else we're finished. We're finished.
Good.
What?
That was a hiccup.
That was a hiccup. I thought you were agreeing with me.
I was, though.
Yeah, Cuba. Hey, Gabriel. NASDAQ, Pedro. So I said I would look to buy the NASDAQ between 27,000. I can't believe I said 105 to 27,075. You got to go 30 wide. You can't be trading NASDAQ every 3 points. They're not going to kill it. You can't do that. That's why they want the popular vote. This is so messed up. These people want power. They don't even care about the United States of America. There should be term limits to these animals. I would cover some oil here between 35 and 45 if you're short. I knew the gold was going to bounce here. Absolutely term limits. There goes, oh, look at the oil drop. I'd be flat the oil. I said the long, yeah, I said it. S&Ps, look to scale out 56, 57. NASDAQ, if it got long at all, the NASDAQ at the, oh my God, look at the oil short. Gold just rallied 5. I knew that gold was the bull flag on the 5-minute. All right. NASDAQ, if you bought it, just sell it above, I would sell above 15. Even though the 5s are turning up. What a short on the oil. Wow. Good for you. Remember last week there was someone short the NASDAQ at 25,850? I hope he thinks he's still short. Oh. All right. What's with this crazy Virginia? These people are criminal. What they want to do, they're gonna. Well, it's gonna go right back up. Look at black screens, black gold. I'm missing funded chat in Discord. I don't know, Russell. I think the market sells off. Just want to see this market. Unbelievable. I got me under pressure. There goes the gold right back up. There goes the gold right back up. Boy. Look at this oil drop. Whoa, what just happened? Gold just went right back up from 11 to 22. This gold gets up to the 23.5 to 30.5. I would take a short. When the 30-minute crosses to buy, then we look for the first pullback on the correct. And yes, then on the 15. That is correct. That is correct. Good job, DL. The gold get up to 23. There goes the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. Oh my God, look at the gold drop. Oh my God. What just came out? Oil, gold. Oh my God, what just came out? What did the gold get up to 23? 23.4. Oh my God. I missed it by a dime. Oh my God. Oh my God, down 8. I know. Anybody? Gold's down 10. Oh my God, that's a kaboosh. You got the gold short? Where's the bear? Oh my God. Kabooshed. Oh my God, 24. Oh my God. Oh, Eli, I feel so bad. DL, Pac-Man said it. He said the 30-minute reverse to buy, we're going to buy the first oversold condition on the 5-minute. And I said, look to buy 48 to 55s or whatever, 47 to 54s, whatever the hell I said. Right? I would look to buy it. Oh my God, this gold. Oh my God. 10 cents, Papa Delt. Oh my God. Exactly. You try to take the oversold condition right into the 10 bar. I hope you got long.
Yes.
Good. See, JD heard it. He better. He's 3 feet behind me. Or 2. Let's go. You gotta love the Asia markets. CC, you got long the NASDAQ, CC? Did it get down to 05? I think it did. No, 06. Well, beautiful bull flag, though. Again, first pullback on the 5 after the 60 reverse to buy on the NASDAQ. Oh, what a short this was. Oh my God, what a drop in gold. Oh my God. Where the Q's trading here? Oh, they're up 4. How nice. Thank you, Christopher. The best. Up. Got me under pressure. Wow. DL, you understand that, DL? The 60-minute, even on the S&Ps here, if you look at the S&Ps here, you can see how the S&P futures reversed to buy on the 30-minute, like Pac-Man said. Christopher, right here, again, MACD positive, correlating with the 15. And the strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5. I love DL when the MACDs are crossing positive from below the pivot here. You see that right there? Okay, and it correlates with the 15. And then what do you look to do? Oh, you got another bull flag sitting up here on the 15. Wow, they're going to go up. Oh, my God. And then what you want to do, DL, right? You want to buy the first pullback on the 5, Baba. It's right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Right into, look at that beautiful bull flag. Right? I mean, it really didn't do much. I mean, it ran like maybe 3.5, if anything. Right? If it's below the pivot, you get more push up versus if the MACDs are positive from above the pivot. The MACDs are positive from above the pivot, you'll get a move, but not like if it's a MACD from below the pivot. It's like an F-18 Hornet taking off on a short runway. Fink. Okay, it's beautiful. You want that. Same thing if you want to be short, you want to take a short when the MACDs are negative above the pivot. Okay, you like that. That's what you want. Okay, right there above the pivot. Okay, gold's all over the place. I think the next pullback on the S&Ps on the 15 are going to be powerful. You got bull flags, so they're going to set up. I told you, since the 30 reversed to buy on the S&P and the 60 reversed to buy on the NASDAQ, going into a positive trend, you want to take the first pullback, okay, on the 15, the 5, and then the 15. So you could maybe get down to 50 on the S&Ps, 48, okay. NASDAQ, maybe in the NASDAQ, even to 95. We'll see. I see no bull flags in gold. Hey, Jesus, how are you? Late to the party. Jesus, please call me. I'll try to help you. 914-500-7484. You okay, JD? Oh my God, don't drive me, JD, please.
Hanging in there.
So the overall trend on the you think? Yeah, very bullish. Well, what do you mean right now? Right now you're in what's called a buy disconnect. Okay, you're in a buy disconnect. So now I want to see if the S&Ps can drop. If my subscription is off, do my indicators still work? Danny, if you bring your keys to if you don't bring your keys to the car, will the car start? So the pullback on the 15, then the buying, you don't, it's not necessarily into the moving average. You can get down to 53. Is Bitcoin a buy? Let me see here. 15, maybe a little lower, maybe below the 78,050. I mean, seriously, Dan, oh my God, look at the gold. There goes the S&Ps. I short some gold here, 24.80 up to 32.80. If your subscription is off, why would the indicators work? I don't get this. Can somebody help me with this? If the sun doesn't rise, is there still light? There goes the gold 80. M dot. Exactly. M dot. When do you want me to come to Japan, M dot? M dot, M dot, can you text me on WhatsApp? 914-500-7484. Please text me. Is it Japan you want me to come, right? I'll go to Japan. I need a vacation, actually. I haven't had a day off in God knows how long. All right, then just call me on a regular number. Who cares? Oh, there goes the gold. That'll be fun coming to Japan. Is it Japan, right, M dot? I think that's what you said. I don't want to. You grab gold at where? 47.47, 22 points higher. London's at 3 a.m. I'll be in bed. Oh. Any advice for a 23-year-old? Yeah, learn as much as you want. Try to learn from someone like myself and learn the methodology. God bless you. Learn a methodology. Learn a way to trade the market. Be consistent. I mean, I traded close to 2 billion shares in my life, right? I can't even tell you how many futures contracts I've traded, how much foreign exchange money I've traded. But, you know what you got to do? You just got to learn. Stick to one person. Me, whoever, the shadow, who cares? The Lone Ranger, whoever, right? I think this gold's going to get killed. And, you know, try to really learn. How long do you... I don't know. I got to see. It depends on what kind of day I have. That's a really great question. If I'm up like, you know, serious money and a trade's going against me, I may give it a little bit more time. Good job, Lee. It doesn't matter. Every trade, like Apple ran on me a couple of days ago and I traded around it beautifully. Trade a lot. Let me tell you. Trade a lot of stock. All right, look to cover gold here between the 21.5 and the 24.5 if you're short. I would look to cover. You got to be looking at the... Oh, my God, JD. There you go. And I believe MyFundedFutures is going to have their own brokerage unit here soon, right? Brokerage company, I think. What a great, great, great firm, MyFundedFutures. Seriously. No joke. Apple, how are you, Apple? And Kim Capital, you should try to come down here. Oh, that frozen orange juice. Great job, Lee. Look at Lee up 1250. Oh, gold just got cabooshed. Where's the bear? There's the bear. Why should I have Vol C Deep Charts platform? I don't like the subscription. Oh, S&Ps and Nasdaq, I think that's about it here. Tris, how are you, Tris? It doesn't matter. Umed, how are you? Exactly. No, somebody said that gold was going to 47.30. It doesn't matter. Well, look, I hope you're covering your shorts in gold. I would be covering shorts in gold here. There you go, Brooklyn. give live trades. I do during the day. I do that on all my trades. Yeah, Spirit. I saw that. Where SPY is headed today, tomorrow, a month. You got to be more specific. All right. NASDAQ trying to pull back here. It should set up the long on the. Oh my God! Look at this gold. Gold just dropped $8. Long Bitcoin. Let's see here. Yeah, you could take a stab here on Bitcoin, Kelly, below the 7880 lane range. These 15 should get one more push up. Cabooshed. All right. Wow. If you're long the S&Ps here, NASDAQ, these 15s are going to turn up here. What a bull flag on the S&Ps on the 15. Just hit the 54 mark, DL. Oh, they're going to go. If the S&Ps push down to the 47.54 range, I belong in the service of the Queen. I belong anywhere but in between. She be on him. I've been thinking, and I am the short king. I said, Mama, 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 don't knock alone. Look at this gold drop 9. La, 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 yeah. All right, this gold I would or S&Ps I raised to the 54.5, 7.5 to 54.5. Oh, I belong in the service of the Queen. Anywhere but in between. She be lying. I be thinking, and I am the short king. I think NASDAQ's going to push up. I think NASDAQ's going to push up because the 15s reverse to buy. And if the 60s reverse to buy, then you start the whole sequence all over again. Hey, Shimya. Don't try to save me, 'cause I've been here before and I deserve a little more. Shimmy, I love that song, right? It's got a good ring to it. The Counting Crows. Oh, Counting. Oh, Mr. Jones. Oh, that's another great one. The 60s did reverse to buying the NASDAQ. So now you're in a full-blown positive trend. So now you want to buy the pull. But look at this bull flag on the NASDAQ and S&P setting up. 4680 before the session ends. I don't think that wait, you know what? That could happen because look, if you look here on the gold, you can see the gold. Thank you, Lou. Thank you, Lee. Hold on. Look at this. Look at the gold on the 30-minute time frame. If these 30s start reversing here, look out below here. You know, look out below. M. Dot, text me, M. Dot. I want to talk to you about Japan. Look at these S&Ps go. Get in there, CC. Oh my God, can you imagine? Umed, there's so many good Italian restaurants here. You got Cucina, you got Lenora's, you got oh my God, there's like 4 more. Oh my God, the one I went with my daughter. Oh my God, Maggio's, I think it's called. Marcello's. Oh my God. What signal? Then write me an email, stevek5@me.com. If DL, if I tell you I have to kill you. No. Look, seriously, okay? You're seeing the oversold condition here on the 5 right here. So when it's dropping like this, look at the 15 DL, right? I don't want to miss it. Look at this. Oh, that's a 10-minute. Wait till they get the 50. Look at the 15. Oversold, positive MACD. You see that? M. stevek5@me.com. Look at them go. Goes down 8, almost 9. S&Ps. NASDAQ just ran from 06, 07, just ran 17. I belong. Don't try to seize me. Oil trying for a new high? Let me see. I took my oil down here. Oh, come on. What's oil trying to do here? Oh, what a pullback. Oh, Henny, you're killing me. Just what the heck? See what he did? The hell are you doing, Hendrix? Hey, boo boo, my boy, Daddy loves you. You think he just likes hanging out with me like that, right?
Oh, hell yes.
Yeah.
Who doesn't want to go to work with Dad every day?
You go, Daddy, with every day. You love your father. Oh, you see, whenever it came to the door, he was gonna eat him.
Oh, he was not.
He actually stuck his head up like that. When I see his hair and his head, oh my God. I'm telling you, I don't know if anybody can control him but me when he gets like that. You big moose. You protecting your father, though. That's a good boy. Daddy loves you so much. Daddy loves you. I love this dog so much. You have no idea. Brutal, though. Oof. You can't do that to me. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Oh my God, my boy. Yeah, well, if NASDAQ made a new high into the negative MACDs on the 5, I would short them. Right, Christopher? Oof. Jason, you get in touch with Ryan? Ryan Nichols, can you reach out to Jason, please? Motocross man. Oof. There goes oil. S&P's getting cabooshed. So, okay, there goes the gold. Something just came out. Every day, oil up, gold down, NASDAQ, S&P's cabooshed. Oh, drop 5,000 points, please. Yeah, he was not well. I was in the ER with the vet with him till 1:30 in the morning on Tuesday morning. Oh my God. Look at the 30. Oh my God. I would buy these S&Ps 46.5 to 52.5 range. See if these 15s can set up. Don't try to leave me. Oof.
It's brutal in here tonight.
No, it got better though, but they my ex told me that she read a report and she didn't want to tell me that Hendrix was in a cage like 23.5 hours a day, and they wrote that he was barking every time people walk by, and they had to put a sheet over him. The poor dog was probably laying in urine and poop, and he probably had to go to the bathroom. Nobody walked him. This poor dog, what this dog went through, I'm telling you right now, just breaks my heart, man. Just breaks my heart. Just breaks my heart. Really. How anybody could do that to this or any animal, and then bring him in 6 years after owning him and say euthanize him. Just carry them in. I don't want him no more, and you just euthanize him. And can you imagine this sweet, beautiful dog on a gurney, shaving his leg and putting a needle in him? That was not happening that day. I'm telling you. The only thing Michael did right was to help me do the paperwork to get him, which I have to give him credit for. Out of all the craziness, driving me completely bat nuts, okay, he helped me do the paperwork.
You two were entertaining together, though.
No, I weren't. He gave me chest pains. You know, my blood pressure medicine doubled because of him.
I know.
No, I'm being serious. He made my blood pressure medicine double.
I'm not on any, and I could have used.
I'm telling you, I'm on it. This kid, I don't want to think about it because it's bad memories, but he did one thing right. He helped me save the dog.
Yeah.
He was so good on the computer, answering all the questions, submitting the emails. I mean, these people are crazy. You think I'm adopting 15 kids from Romania, right? It's crazy. You know? And then that was part A. Then part B, I had to find someone to go get them. You know how hard that is? While I'm trading? And then I found a shelter, and she says, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'm full. I only carry 25 dogs." I'm like, "Listen, lady, how much?" She's not the money, she says to me. I have no room, nowhere to put them. I said, "They're going to kill the dog in 25 minutes or whatever, 45 minutes," I said at the time. And I said, "Do you know this place?" She goes, "Yeah, I'm literally across the street." I'm like, "You're across the street and you can't save this dog? Really?" I just did all the paperwork. He's ready to be picked up. She says, "If you sell me $400, I'll pick him up now." I said, "Here's the $400. Go pick at him." She called me literally at 11:12. He was supposed to be put down at 11:30. And she got him. She goes, "I got him." Can you believe it? 914-500-7484. I think these 15s are going to turn up. I'd be very careful here. Now, NASDAQ, if it gets to the 27,000, 60 to 27,100, oils are short above 55. I think NASDAQ's going to turn up. NASDAQ, gold, oil just dropped 20. I think the S&Ps and NASDAQ are going to turn up off the 15s. Mikey Jacques, be careful. Look at the yellow dots into the very bullish, Mikey Jacques. Oil just dropped. I was just about to say short oil at 55. Yeah, I saved them. Right, boo-boo? Big moose. You have two Dobermans? Male and female, or two males? So, do you see the way he gets? Like whenever it was here today? Do you see that? No, I'm just saying, like, how does he get like that? What's he trying to do? Like, just be like super. Oh my God, oil just dropped 40 cents. Kaboom! There goes the NASDAQ. There goes the S&Ps, DL. Get in there. Pac-Man, Jennifer, CC. Get in there. Damn it, I missed the oil short. Get in there. Oh, Nelly. Oh my God, Ethan. Ethan. Where's the bull? That deserves a bull. That deserves a bull. One more time. Oh my God, look at that call. Christopher, tie game. See, Christopher, I'm gonna leave this room to you, Christopher. I might call it quits. Christopher knows the patterns. He knows the methodology. It's called 44 years of trading. M. Dot. M. Dot. I never got an email from you, M. Dot. Just to let you know. Wow, look at these S&Ps go. Look at this NASDAQ. There you go, Kelly, on Bitcoin. Good job, Kelly. What did Bitcoin run? About 100? Yeah. All right, we got the raffle tonight. I belong. Oil was such a good short up there. Oil was the short. S&P and NASDAQ were the long. Not bad, right? What's W mean? Wins?
Yeah.
Good job, Moroccan. Good job, gameplay. Sing us a song. Let me see. Oh, the next. Let me think of a good one. I'm 63. 63. I've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning. Is that rain? Oh, please don't make it rain outside. All right. Gold just got cabooshed on the double red. Wow. That just dropped 7. Good night, Lee. Have a great night. God bless you, brother. Lee. Wow, look at this. Look at this gold on the double red short. Damn it. I told you those 30-minute time frames. Any chances gold could reverse to buy? No. Anybody get the short on the gold? That's a double red short, Andrew. You see that? Jesus, right up into the negative MACD. I was watching these S&Ps. Wow. Damn it. Thank you. Yeah. They lost? The Knicks lost? No. The Knicks lost? That's a shame. If the Knicks lost, Zachary would be very upset. Oh, my God, by 1 point.
Ouch.
Ouch. Wow, unbelievable. Knicks lose here. All right. Jennifer, are you ready, Jennifer? The stream stuck. It's time for the raffles. Oh, my God. 8,000 by year-end target. No more. I was down there. No more. Oh, my God. Look at these S&Ps and NASDAQ. Yep, that's me. All right, get ready, everybody. Good luck. 2 minutes to go in the game. All right. Let's get the ball rolling here. Let's do the raffle tonight. See how many people we got signed up here tonight. I'm gonna put my. It doesn't matter. Oh, I just remember I'm just doing numbers. Okay. All right. Denny, you ready? Tell me how many people we have. There goes the goal right back up. Fill the coolers.
Steven, we have 386 people that signed up.
386. Wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. All right, let's do it. Ready, Denny? Jennifer. Yep. Number 2.
Number 2 is Neo Locky.
Hey, Neo Locky, he's here. Neo Locky. Neo Locky, you here? Oh my God. Jennifer, you ready?
Neil Lockey's here.
That's one. All right. 386. 386.
386 is Karen M. Mullen. Karen MC Mullen.
Karen MC Mullen. Wow.
Mhm.
Oh no, I haven't seen her all night.
I haven't seen her either, but give her the chance. I can't add her in the chat either. She's here.
Congratulations. That's two. Okay. That's two.
Okay.
Number 84. 84. Is
Number
84 here?
Number 84 is Pat 35 Gagnon.
I don't know that person.
Never seen him. He's here.
Okay, that's three.
Yep.
249. 249.
249 is ASIM.
ASIM?
Yep, ASIM. Just because y'all say y'all's numbers in the chat doesn't mean you're going to get picked. If anything, it gives you less of a chance of getting picked. I don't see him in here.
No.
Yeah.
241. 241.
241 is GC Victim.
Well,
Gold.
he's here.
Gold
I see him a
Victim.
lot.
That's funny.
I see him here a lot.
I'm doing good, T4 Keeps. How are you doing?
ASM is not here. Jennifer said.
GC Victim is here.
Oh, okay. All right.
Next.
Number 15. 15.
15 is Gabriel Trades. Crazy.
Wow, I think he's here all the time, right?
Yeah, he's here. Gabriel Trades. He's already in the chat. Give me 1 second, Steven. Give me 1 second. Gotta check something. Okay, yeah, he's here. Gabriel Trades is here.
Okay. Good, 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 good. Okay, how many is that? 5?
That's 5.
172.
172. It is Goot Futures.
I think I've seen him here before.
When he pops up in the chat. He's here.
305. 305.
305 is Alex 94303 and a bunch of numbers after that.
Okay.
Alex 94303. Zeus, how's it unfair?
Is he here? This person?
I don't see Alex here.
What's unfair?
I don't know. I'm waiting for him to say something. No one can add him in the chat either. We can go to next, Steven.
Let's see here. 202. 202.
202. Chat, please stop typing unless you're the winner. It is Britt Martin.
Who?
Britt Martin.
I'm just picking numbers out. How many is that? 4? 6, Jennifer?
No, we have 6 right now. It'll be 7 if Britt is here.
Are people putting in multiple numbers? I hope they're not doing that.
They're not.
Okay. Is Jennifer, is he here? Number 202? What number I get?
202, Britt Martin. I don't see him in here.
198. 198.
198 is Mark Patterson.
Mark Patterson. Oh, Mark Patterson here? That should be 7.
I don't see him in the chat yet.
He's not here?
I don't see him.
Okay.
Britt Martin
wow.
was here? Where? Oh, no, but he's here late. Let's see, 9:55. I'll go back and look at the stream. If Britt Martin is here, whenever Steven called him before saying next, I'll give it to him. He'll just be an extra winner tonight.
Okay. All right. We're going to go 21.
21. Mark Patterson wasn't here, so 21. That's Texas Raj.
Texas Raj.
Mark Patterson, you're late, man. I'm sorry.
Well, he said he was here right away, though. Oh, Mark Patterson's here now.
It's up to you, Steven. If you want to give it to him, you can, but Texas Raj is here.
All right, how many is that? I'll give it to Britt, and I'll give it to Mark Patterson. And how many is that? Texas Raj? 9?
That makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, one more.
All right, number 100.
100 is Linda NQ.
Whoa, Linda NQ! Congratulations.
Mark Patterson, please stop saying here. We see that you're here.
Oh, my God.
He's literally spamming the chat. Linda's here.
He's so excited. Oh, my God.
All right, that's it. That's it for everybody tonight.
What happened, Hetty? You guys, I love you too. I love you. Daddy loves you. All right. All right, everybody. You have a wonderful evening. God bless you. All right. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you to Aaron. Of course, thank you to MyFundedFutures. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great night. Again, if you guys, anybody would like a 5-day free trial, you can please text me a full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Also, if you like to see my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, please watch. It's very, very important, very informative. sktrain.live. Thank you, Denny. God bless you. God bless our troops. And, of course, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. I'll see you.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.